Ever wondered how the disabled and elderly face challenges in cleaning? Well, that's what we're here to discuss today. Maintaining cleanliness might seem like a simple task for some, but for those dealing with physical limitations, it can pose some unique challenges. From struggling with heavy cleaning equipment to maneuvering around cluttered spaces, the hurdles are many. But don't worry, we've got some practical solutions up our sleeve to make cleaning a breeze for everyone. So, let's dive in and explore some practical tips to make cleaning easier for everyone. First and foremost, consider using lightweight and easy-to-handle tools. Imagine a broom, not just any broom, but one that's as light as a feather with an extendable handle. No more bending or straining, just easy, breezy cleaning. These kinds of tools take the grunt work out of tidying up, making the process smoother and less physically demanding. So next time you're in the market for cleaning tools, opt for something light and easy to use. Remember, the right tools can make a world of difference. Next up, it's crucial to prioritize tasks. Think of your home as a bustling city. The living room and the kitchen, they're like your Times Square and Piccadilly Circus, high traffic areas that need frequent attention. Prioritizing these zones means you're staying on top of the mess before it becomes a mountain. Remember, it's not about tackling everything at once, but chipping away at what matters most first. This way, you're not just keeping your space clean, you're managing your energy wisely. Prioritizing doesn't just save time, it also saves energy. Our third tip: take regular breaks. Why? Well, imagine cleaning as a marathon, not a sprint. Pushing through without pausing can lead to fatigue and even injury. So how about this? For every 20-minute cleaning session, reward yourself with a 5-minute timeout. Use this time to rest, hydrate, or simply enjoy a moment of calm. Remember, cleaning is not a race. It's okay to take a breather. Now, if you're finding these tips useful and you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps us create more content like this. And why not share your own cleaning tips in the comments below? We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future videos. We're all about helping you simplify and enjoy your home cleaning process. For those of you who are new here, welcome to our clutter-free community. As a bonus, we've prepared a free ebook for you. Simplify Your Home. This step-by-step guide will help you maintain a clutter-free life, and you can find the link in the video description. And speaking of helpful resources, we've also included links to all the cleaning products we've mentioned in this video. So, don't forget to check out the video description for all these goodies. Now, let's dive back into our tips. Moving forward, we have a set of 4 tips for you. First up, we encourage you to use assistive devices. There are incredible gadgets out there designed to make cleaning tasks easier for everyone. For instance, consider a long-handled duster which can help you reach those pesky cobwebs in the corners without straining your back or neck. Or, how about a robotic vacuum that does the job while you sit back and relax? These devices are not only practical, but also quite the marvels of modern technology, don't you think? Next, keep your cleaning supplies close. Imagine this: you're in the middle of scrubbing the kitchen counter, and suddenly you realize you're out of wipes. Now, wouldn't that be a bit of a downer? To avoid such scenarios, make sure you have a small portable caddy to keep all your cleaning essentials. This way, everything you need is just an arm's length away, saving you the trouble of making multiple trips across the room. Tip number 3 in this set is all about opting for easy cleaning solutions. For example, disposable cleaning wipes can be a real game changer. They're ready to use and can be tossed away after. No rinsing, no wringing, no mess. Plus, they come in a wide range of types to tackle different cleaning jobs. From disinfecting wipes to stainless steel polishes, there's a wipe for just about everything. Lastly, don't forget to use a stool or chair while cleaning. It can be hugely beneficial, especially when you're dealing with tasks that require some time, like sorting laundry or washing dishes. Sitting down can significantly reduce the strain on your legs and back, making the chore more comfortable and less tiring. These tips are all about making the cleaning process as comfortable as possible. So, embrace these strategies and transform your cleaning routine into a more manageable and less strenuous activity. Ready for the next set of tips? Let's kick off with tip 8, which is all about creating a cleaning routine. You see, having a routine is like having a roadmap. It guides you on what to do and when to do it. For example, you might decide to sweep the floors on Mondays and Thursdays and clean the windows every other Wednesday. Not only will this keep your tasks manageable, but it also ensures that nothing gets overlooked. Moving on to tip 9, don't hesitate to ask for help. We all need a helping hand sometimes, and there's absolutely no shame in it. Whether it's a neighbor, family member, or a professional cleaning service, reaching out for assistance can make a world of difference. Consider it like this: you're not burdening others. You're simply making smart use of your resources. Next up, tip 10. Stay hydrated. Cleaning can be quite a workout, and it's easy to forget to drink water. But just like any exercise, it's important to replenish your body's water supply. So keep a water bottle handy and take regular sips. Imagine you're a well-oiled machine, and water is your oil. Without it, you'll start to rust, or, in this case, feel fatigued. Finally, tip 11. Listen to your body. This might be the most important tip of all. Your body knows its limits better than anyone else. If you start to feel tired or experience any discomfort, take a break. Maybe you're an early bird who's full of energy in the morning, or perhaps you're a night owl who prefers to clean after sundown. The key is to work with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. Think of it like dancing. You wouldn't force yourself to waltz when your body wants to jive, right? Remember, your health and safety should always come first. So create your routine, ask for help when it's needed, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Happy cleaning. Finally, we have our last set of tips. Let's kick things off with a little nugget of wisdom that might seem trivial, but trust me, it's a game changer. Ever thought about using a dustpan with a handle? Well, you should. No more bending over to collect that pesky dust. It's all about making things easier. Picture this: you're sweeping away, and when it's time to pick up the dust, you just swoop in with your long-handled dustpan. Easy peasy, right? Next up, let's talk fashion. But not the runway kind. We're talking about the cleaning your home kind. Comfort is king here. Think loose, breathable materials. Imagine being in the middle of cleaning your living room, dancing along to your favorite tunes, all while feeling as comfortable as if you were in your pajamas. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's possible. Comfortable clothes can make the whole cleaning process feel less like a chore. Now, onto the third tip in this set. Consider using a rolling cart. You're probably wondering, why would I need that? Well, think about it. You've got all your cleaning supplies in one place, and you can just roll them along from room to room. No more carrying heavy buckets or balancing multiple items in your arms. Imagine being on a cleaning spree, and your handy-dandy rolling cart is right there with you, like a loyal sidekick. Convenience at its finest. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the tip to clean regularly. I know, it seems obvious. But it's easy to let things pile up until we're looking at a mountain of mess. Instead, imagine breaking it down into manageable tasks that you tackle regularly. Picture walking into a room that's always tidy and fresh, all because you've established a regular cleaning routine. These tips should make cleaning a lot more manageable. And remember, it's about making the process as comfortable and efficient as possible. So grab that dustpan with a handle, put on your comfiest outfit, roll out your cart, and get into the groove of regular cleaning. Happy decluttering. So those were our 15 cleaning tips for the disabled and elderly. We talked about using lightweight and easy-to-handle tools, which can make the task much easier and less strenuous. Prioritizing tasks and taking regular breaks can go a long way in conserving energy and preventing exhaustion. We also explored the benefits of using assistive devices, keeping supplies close, opting for easy cleaning solutions, and the comfort of using a stool or chair. Creating a routine, asking for help when needed, staying hydrated, and listening to your body were other key points we discussed. Lastly, we touched on the practicality of a dustpan with a handle, the importance of wearing comfortable clothes, the convenience of a rolling cart, and the advantage of cleaning regularly to maintain a tidy space. We hope these tips will help make cleaning a more comfortable and less daunting task. Remember, everyone deserves a clean and comfortable living environment. And before we wrap this video up, we want to remind you to subscribe to SmartLife Solutions channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our helpful tips and strategies. As a bonus, we're offering a free Simplify Your Home ebook, which you can find in the video description. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to a clutter-free life. And for those of you who may be wondering where to find the cleaning products mentioned in this video, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the video description as well. So, let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay smart and keep your living spaces clean and comfortable.